Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair OPPO Enco Buds 2nd generation with any MacBook. Before the pairing, remember to charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect from any previously connected devices. Next, grab both earbuds. We have to use these touch sensors, they are located right here on both earbuds, so click and hold them for around 3 or 4 seconds and put one close to your ear. When you hear the notification sound, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So all I have to do right now is to open the system settings, go for the Bluetooth, then turn it on with the switcher, and from the nearby devices list you have to select your OPPO Buds. So just wait until they appears on the list. Click connect. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.